One, this video will design a pit design. Then secondly, I do the video mainly in Creole so that people will able to go through the session carefully and constructively. Alright, so let me assume say then give we strings file, and now then expect we for use that strings file there for create a pit design. How would you go about them? Alright, pause there first for some time. Nice. So the strings file we me get for can use now strings files we me use last year or past years. Right? So maybe in order for be exactly, or maybe you get for be different from what you get. Yeah, the method, the method. Definitely all strings files them can always be different. But maybe the method you get for see something way, be done see way, somehow collide with you. Alright. So for practice sake, my own strings file I be save under document. Right? Hope so everybody's happy now for save them stuff them. So under document and come under subpack file. From subpack file, let we make use of this one, this HHHH1 string. Alright. So me knows how to save them. All I need for go do now and for go locate them na subpack and start the project. Now we'll go back na subpack. So from subpack, la magnify this stuff. From subpack, this you left hand side from this dashboard, they can make use of you get for scroll for fan also you keep you file. So me already know how I keep me own. So it under document. Alright, this na document. From document, it under subpack. Then we say year 3. From year 3, we continue for go down from year 3. Year 3. Subpack note. Alright, you already open. From subpack note, look at this HH1. Alright, and the file name this. What next I need for do? The next step here, so now for can left click on the subpack file and drag them on the dashboard. You see the design? So now the design then give me. So now what you have for do now next with this design? Well, you get series of method where you want to use. You can even just close this segment, this entire design, this segment. You can just close them, these two end. Then you begin solve. Instantly you begin your project. But sometimes we lecturers them can expect you for go a little further. So waiting at this little further, they expect we for make we redesign this diagram so that to forfeit maybe the tutorial way they already in the subpack system. Right? So now you need for scroll calm down, la magnify them. You need for scroll calm down and can find public. You define public, right? Look public then also. From public, it can always close like this. So you just get for open now. From public, you can to Geovia. From Geovia, you can to subpack. From subpack, you come to D72. From D72, you come to demo. From demo, you come to query. Tutorials. From tutorials, tutorials again. Alright. Then this now tutorials. So from these tutorials now, what do we need for do? We can find, you get for take your time and look for pit design. So this me already don't locate pit design. When you click, you see this bunch of pit design methods. So for this practice sake, we they make use of this one, this bus 880 or base anyone. So you left click on them, then you drag and drop them at the monitor. So you don't see the design. So now the design we actually they can try for see how they able for imitator. Understand? They can try for imitate this design here. So let me see how best we were able for go to and create our own pit design. Now just an illustration. So let me go now back to the project. Alright, so now I declare the screen, the monitor. Alright, so this now the strings file is what we get. So now left click and drag to the monitor. Now you don't see her. Right, I don't minimize them. Alright. So now I can edit them points them here so that it will become all I like something like that, imitate that same type design. Right? So what will they do next? You come to edit. From edit you come to point. Right? Then we can move, you come to move. Then now we can move the points them. Just move them so that you will be able to get something like, you know, just imitate normal. Just one type for imitate and to the closest we will be able. Yeah. I'll just imitate. You might not, you not might, you not get for, except you take all your time and spend at it, but for say you go get them correctly, it somehow it can be difficult, man, or lie. For say, but so because always at the time for say always you need now for just imitate the stuff and make your own out of them. Understand? Alright, so now this we get. So we get right. I don't know how I get for look like, but we get right for add markers them or point for make we get a same similar design. But if the lecturer not agree, maybe now lecturer way somehow difficult for deal with, then you can able for manipulate design for get that same design day. So let me just choose. Let's use this design. Yeah. Let's use this design. So now let's use them this way. Right. This one now will go up. Let them go up. So I can add points them so that we'll be able for full and fine. For add point, you come to create. You come to create point. From point you come to also they say insert point in line between adjacent points. Alright. Nice. So now they can add points them. Alright. So that we'll be able for full the way we want them. Understand? Alright, I think it's okay. This one okay. So what they can do now? But they can edit them points and you can to edit, can to point, you can to move. Alright, I'll minimize this one. Alright, so now they can begin move them now. You just move them to the design the way we want this design. It's like 1 point supposed for there, yeah? So let's add another 1 point there. I'll add first that will close them. 1 point here. And edit the point. Alright, not too bad. So let me kind of enclose, come to display and come to hide temporal markers. So now we can close this segment. Right, so if I close the segment now, you come to edit, then you can segment, then you come to close. Then they ask you there, so they say select the segment to close. They select here, they don't close, right? Then you press this escape key so that you you go free now for do your movement. Alright, so basically we don't get this diagram. What do we need for do now? We can save them. Come to save. Everybody knows how save them now. So then this string file I will change that to exam. But mind you, one thing they would all left behind, we not set we working directory 8. So now me they can use this aspect here 3 as me working directory. So let me cancel this one first. And right click for set your working directory. You can choose any folder around the outside, for so you're comfortable with where you able to find you working quick or faster. From this here 3, you right click, you see the first option. The first option says set as work directory. You set. Now you don't set this part as you working directory. So now they can resave this diagram we don't do. Save. Then you change this name to exam again. You come to save. I don't save now. I minimize this one. Well, okay. Alright, sorry. Look at their exam. So now they clear the screen. Alright, then you come back. You can drag a cam there. You don't see them. But before we create new ramp, sometimes this knocking show for where they use them all updated version of Sopak. You can right click here and this panel aspect. Then you come to profile. From profile, you come to mine design. When you come to mine design, you see this thing there, this additional options there, so they pop up. So since like we don't drag the diagram back, the strings back, we can define now the angle. So let me say 55 now. We say apply. Then now we can define new ramp. New ramp, we come to this first aspect and this second aspect. Anti-clockwise. Yeah. Clockwise. Toe and crest. Apply. Now we can by bench height. Let me say 5. Bench height 5, not bad. Anti-clockwise. Choose the last segment. We'll say 5 here, so again and apply. Perfect. Right? Then you do the same thing for this one. Clockwise. Bench height. Click. You already don't set them to 5. So all you need now for the apply number now. Nice. So we continue. Alright. Alright. Let me come get the surface now. Now this now the pit design this. See the pit design. See the pit design. Alright. So now they can get surface now. So now for get surfaces now, you come to surface. From surface now you come to this create DTM from layer. Right? Magnify them. After you don't satisfy, you come to surfaces now. Surfaces now you come to create DTM from layer. When you tap on it, they give you this color. You make sure say you uncheck this. You uncheck them, right? So this can be the color of the designer. So you can get any color. You can change this to 8, but we left them to 1. You apply. Where you apply, see what you get. See the peak design. See the peak design we'll get. Repeat this. So basically now the method this for solve the assignment.